Think about this for a minute. Most people that get married end up married 4 or 5 times, but to the same person. We change, we grow, we find ourselves unprepared for the next level that this relationship presents us with. That's why we need to skill up and get ready to move into tomorrow.
The first 10 years of your marriage are super important. They can be awesome, fun years, like you're in love, all is well, and then you hit these bumps like finances, new jobs, maybe a baby, all this stuff going on, the in-laws, all that is happening. And sometimes we just don't know what to do. We don't know how to get past those hard moments. You feel lonely, you feel sad, you're stressed out, and you're not your best self. So we really want you to invest in your marriage now to create a better marriage later.
We are so excited to invite you to the Young Marriage Workshop. These early years of marriage are so vital and such an important piece to pay attention to and do a good job with because it's setting you up for years to come. We have multiple speakers coming. We have Danny and Sherry Silk both presenting at this event. We also have my beautiful wife, Brittany Serple, and myself, Ben. We'll all be speaking, bringing all the lessons we've learned from marriage and just the good days and the bad days and what we did right and what we probably did wrong. We want to bring all that to you to help set you up. So when we talk about a young married couple, what we're talking about is 10 years of marriage and under. This has nothing to do with age. This has nothing to do with how old you are. It has everything to do with you're in the early phase of building what you've been dreaming about. So we want to encourage you to show up and bring your expectation and get ready to be poured into because these early years set you up to have the thriving marriage you've been dreaming about.
Marriage is one of the most challenging, but should be one of the most rewarding things that you ever do in your life. Now, going from barely surviving living with this person to having a best friend you get to do life with, to imagine dreaming about a legacy that you cannot wait to start because you have tools and resources that make you stronger, that transform what you were given to something that you've only dreamed of. That's what we want to invite you to. That's what we want to give you. We want to help strengthen your legacy that's yet to come. We want you to be excited about being married. And that has to start today. So please invest in your marriage. It is one of the most beautiful things you could ever do.
Here's your opportunity. This is a chance to invest in tomorrow. Go sign up.